Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Emma, if you don't already know, and you're watching Luxe.
Sometimes we hold on to let go.
This is going to be a different kind of video for me today. I wanted to show you a little haul of things that I've bought because I love shopping. So yeah, I just want to show you guys everything that I got because I love to see what people buy. I think it's so interesting, and yeah, just thought why not? Because I'm nosy and you might be too. First purchase is my... oh, I bought this. Got this from H&M, and it's a long tee which I love. So you can wear it as like a dress or like you can wear it with jeans. I actually wore it today with some jeans, and I love it because I love t-shirts with stuff on the back. It's got the label in because you know it's new, and I love that. Me and my sister do this all the time, make it feel as new as possible. I don't care if it's scratching me. Then Vicky, she cuts out labels like the one sewn in because she doesn't like the way it feels, so she would hate this. She would double hate this. Anyway, I love it. It just got black pink all down the back, and I love black pink. So yeah, got a represent store in H&M, and I was like, sold. Also, my favourite game to play in shops is like guessing how much things are going to be. Like I'm like, oh, if this is more than 15 in it, I'm not going to get it. Only if I've spent like loads of money at that point, or if I don't have much. Which is usual because I always spend it, or I always eat it. Anyway, and I was like, more than 13, it's a no. It was $12.99, so sold. And also it's just real cute. I just love a long top. If I wanted to like have a more fitted look, this is a size large because I love an oversized tee. So I would just get like maybe a small or medium, but it's designed to be big, and I love that. But if I was gonna wear it with jeans, I probably would have got like a S or a M to give that more streamlined look. But I'm gonna wear this as just like a dress, and I've got some shorts underneath it just in case the wind do me dirty. Next purchase is also one of my faves. It is a little bag. It's a lime green DKNY one. I got it from TKMaxx. Love TKMaxx because it's like home sense. It's just like random. Like you don't know what you need until you go in there. Like I can't tell you what I need until I get in it. The store will tell me what I need. So I just went because I just love to browse. And it's like a little phone holdery one, I think. So it will literally hold your phone and like a card and a few other things. So if you do get one of these bags, I would recommend a card wallet. I don't have one, and I only know that because I haven't found one in TKMaxx yet. The gods haven't told me I needed one. I will wait for the TKMaxx gods to say you need this, or Primark. Primark's a bit like that. Couldn't find one in Primark. Someone one with an E on it, and there was like an S and an N. And I can't be Sema or Nema Thurston, can I? I can't. Anyway, love this. I love bags with silver on them. Silver is my preferred colour of jewellery if you're ever going to buy me any. So yeah, I wear it as a crossbody. I think it's just really cute. Just like this. Like, I don't even really think you need an outfit with some lime green on to make it go, you know. I think you should just own it and wear it. It's super cute. Put your phone in there. Put some cards in there. Just so cute. It also came in like pink, but that had rose gold finishings on, like that. And then it also had like a pale blue one. And I would have been drawn to the pale blue because blue is my colour. But I was like, this is gonna pop. I never usually buy accessories. I always buy like tops, and I never buy like bottoms, shoes, or accessories. It's just tops. So, but tip. If you have light coloured bags, they'll rub against jeans that are new, and they'll probably get like blue or black on them. Best way to get them off is to get micellar water on a pad, rub it. Can also do it with hairspray, but I think that's probably more abrasive to the material. Micellar water is a gentle cleanser. So that's a tip. I had to do that. That's all I know. This little plumping vitamin E sheet mask from Primark, because we all love a sheet mask. I have been to Korea like 3 times. I just love Korea. It's like one of my favourite places, South Korea. And they do the best skincare, and obviously they inspire lots of skincare stuff. Like if you have a skincare routine, you've got a Korean 12-step skincare routine. That's the stuff. I don't because I'm lazy, but I'm getting there. Made in Korea, that's how you know it's the real good stuff. It's only 80p. Vitamin E is really good for your skin. This facial place told me really good, and I concur. So I got that. And you can't pass up these things, can you? Next thing I got were pants. I love pants and socks. The best underwear you will ever buy is from Primark, and it is £1. They're like lacy thongs and they're thick, so they don't like bunch up, which I hate and dig in, look gross. They are the most flattering. Like, I have a friend who's a size 6 to an 8 and she swears by these. I'm a size 12, so like, you know, I'm a medium. I'm a curvaceous woman. I swear by these. So all shapes and sizes. They will never do dirty. They're so stretchy. Yeah, love them. And I get them in like all the colours of the rainbow. I'm just showing my pants on YouTube. I haven't worn them, so it's fine, but they're the best. Get yourself them. If you're looking for some new underwear, like, I love Victoria's Secret. I love Victoria's Secret. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes it can be pricey and also unflattering. Like, I'm a bit hippie, so like if I'll get like string ones, they'll dig in and I'll look like a joint of pork. It ain't gonna be cute. So these never do me dirty. Get them in every colour. Next, from fighting someone down there, Primark, is this lovely little bodysuit. Black, and it has little poof sleeves. Gorgeous. I would think this will look cute for if you work at like Vogue and you need to dress up a little bit for work. But I would personally wear this for like drinks. Like, I'm not going out, so it's not like a plunge top situation, but I'm also not jeans and a nice top. It's like a nice like fancy, like I could be persuaded to go out. £8. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. Was these shades from Primark. They were like £1.50, £2. Love them. I love cat eye sunglasses, and I don't have anything like nude, so they'll go like, if I've got, I usually wear black bikinis, but if I've not got that on, or if I've got something a bit more light, this will really go like this, pops with a pink. So cute. I love a pair of sunglasses. You can't go wrong, and I love like the purpley tint colour. Also got another pair of sunglasses from Primark, £1. Can't go wrong. Black, super cute, like UV protection. Love that. Category 3. I don't know what that means, but it sounds good. Next thing I got was this e.l.f. liquid, obviously, concealer. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer. I've heard really good things about e.l.f. Cosmetics, never tried them. They've been in America for a super long time. This is in colour light beige. Again, you can't test anything, so I'm just assuming me and my tan skin. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. Hopefully the colour works out. If it does not work out, I will give it to my sisters, who are much more tanned than myself, but it is kind of dark now I'm looking at it, but maybe tanned me. It's not like a highlighting situation one, so yeah. Happy birthday to my sisters, if you might get this. Next thing I got is this Carmex stick from Primark. Can't go wrong. SPF 15. If you don't use lip products with SPF in it, you need to get right with that. Things I got I'm really excited about. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, Hydrating and Pore Refining. So excited to try this. I've always been looking for a good toner. This had really good reviews on Cult Beauty. I have actually used it because I was too impatient to wait for this video. And I love it. I literally put it on. You don't do the traditional, like, you can put it on with a little cotton sheet, bud, mask, a cotton something, I don't know. You like pat it into your face and then afterwards your skin's real soft. Oh my god, it's the best. I love it. Haven't tried it for that long to know exactly, but I think I'm gonna love it. So I'm really excited about that. And also watermelon is my favourite scent. So I really enjoy smelling like watermelon. Next I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturiser. I only got a small one because I just wanted to try it, because I've been using the Environ Vitamin E moisturiser, which is really good, but I ran out. And I just wanted to try this one because obviously it might complement the toner. I do wish I had got the bigger size, because this is like 20ml and 60ml was like £10–15 more. So I think if nothing else, made in Korea, of course, so good. But yeah, if nothing else, then it could just be like a little travel one, because it is 25ml. I haven't been on a plane so long, I don't know what you can take. Everyone raves about the watermelon sleep mask. That's really good also for dry skin. Don't think so much for oily skin, I've heard, but I'm a bit combination. Some Flipper Flappies from Primark, size 6, that's me. Cute little gems, just for its summer, yeah. I like walk like inwards, like pigeon footed, so I ruin all my shoes. So I like to get them from Primark because they're cheap and cheerful and they look really cute, and they do actually last longer than you would think. You can't really go to Primark without getting yourself some pajamas, can you? I got these cute ones. I love silk pajamas. Top and bottom, cute. It has pockets. Isn't that neat? just, yeah, love it. Absolutely love it. Really excited to wear those. It'd be cute on holiday or for the summer. So yeah, really excited with my little gym jams. I also like how it comes obviously set top and bottom, so you can pick different sizes if you're smaller on top or bottom, whatever. Love that, and they're like £4.50 each or something. Also, by the way, I look a little bit crazy because I've just done my base for another video, which you can check out if it's posted or when it's posted. And obviously it all comes together when you've got eyes and stuff on, but I haven't done my hair or anything. That's why I look like this. But we just chilling. Really excited about this because this is a really different one for me. This is something I wouldn't usually wear because I'm very much a plain sort of person, like dress wise. Like I don't like patterns or polka dots or anything loud. Like I just like black or white, blah blah blah, you know. So I got this on sale for H&M for £5. I love a sale. I never usually get things from sales because I can't bother to look properly, but this like jumped out at me. They was meant to be. It's this cute little top, little, my mum said the word and I can't even think of it. I think they're like stress poppers. I don't know. Tension poppers? Tension buttons? Stress buttons? I don't know. You put stress on them, tension on them, they open? I don't know. Real cute. I did get a size up, so I got one bigger because I'm larger chested. And also like a bit broad, so it would fit me better, and actually it's even still a little bit small, so H&M, you can never be too careful. But for £5 I'm not going to take it back, and because I am currently dieting I'm going to try and fit in this. So this is going to be like my motivation top, like for when I hopefully go to Dubai in September for a planned holiday. If it all goes ahead, then this is what I'm hopefully going to be wearing and fitting into. Really cute. I can get into it obviously and it is fine, but do you know, the top it just looks a little bit squished, so I'm hoping I lose a cup size or something. And you can pop a button open. But next up, for pointless purchases, I got this towel little wraparound dress thing. I'm not going to do that because I have like a lot of makeup on. And it just like wraps around. I just thought it's really good if you get out of like a pool or a hot tub or the shower and you want to do your makeup and you don't want to put anything quite on, so you've just got this on. And I think adjustable straps are so criminally underrated. Like you can make it looser or tighter, like there's a point, but I think it's amazing. Like when tops have them, I'm like, dresses, yes, just amazing. Next up is my absolute favourite purchase ever. You may hate it, but like I'm really into, so I've been watching The Marvellous Mrs. Maisel, which if you haven't watched it, it's a Amazon Prime series set in 1950s New York about a female comic. It's just hilarious. It has 3 seasons and I keep telling every one of my friends to watch it, and my family, nobody has yet, so really sad about that. But yeah, I bought this and it just reminded me of that sort of thing. It was actually in the dress section, not like the night dress section, but my fave, Amber Shaw, she always wears like lingerie, like negligee dresses, like out to wear like with sneakers, and it looks so cute on her, but she's real petite and tiny, so anything would look great on Amber. I just love her so much. But yeah, it kind of reminded me of that sort of thing. It's a longer dress, and it's literally, I saw it and I was in the shop with my friends and I was like, look at me, and they're like, Emma, we've seen you in this dress like for the past 5 minutes. But I was just like, just look at it. So it is a beautiful sage green little silk night dress, with little buttons up and a little split. And then I got this to go with it, like a little headscarf. It's not an exact colour match, but you know. I also found one really similar for the pyjamas, which I didn't get, and I regret because my niece was like, it doesn't match. And I was like, so it kind of does. My thought is, because I love like 1950s sort of stuff, I'd get those like little fluffy kitten heel slippers in white and just like kind of pad around my room. I mean, the dress was like, no. And just put this in my hair, and like if I've got like rollers in, heated rollers, wrap this around, or non-heated rollers and go to sleep with them in like they do, and like a little headscarf. Oh, it's just so nice. It's so Paris. I love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna sign off.